So, ladies and gentlemen, so here we have the two tenses to be done from quoted into reported. As we said, the past tenses from simple past, present tenses, simple present, present progressive, present perfect progressive, to be done in this way. Okay? Copy them, please. And simple past, also here we have it as simple past, past progressive, past perfect progressive, to be done here in the quoted speech. Okay? So please copy them as one table and follow me to the future ones. Okay? So let's move to the future tenses. Okay? Look, future tenses, yearly I do something, just write will, would, do, can, could, do, etc. But here I'll change something to be done as simple future. Yes? Simple future, okay? Look what I'm going to say. Past future. What do I mean by past future? Simple future here, say that let's say will ruin another one, will perform our work. That's it. Look please. Here to be done as would. What do I mean by past? Would what? Perform our work well. That's what I mean by simple future, past future. Okay? Future progressive. Future progressive. Clear? Past future progressive. Okay? That's it. Will be performing, will be meeting, etc. So here, this is the past. The same as it is. Would, one, shift to the past. Will, would be what? Performing. As we said, not performed as passive, don't be confused. Yes? So, future perfect. Future what? Perfect. Future perfect will have met. For example, yes? Will have met to be done as what? Past. Sorry. Past. Focus on this, yes? Past future perfect. Future perfect. Instead of saying that will, would, etc. Okay, but will, would, will, how could be changed when we have it with simple future, when we have it with future progressive, when we have it with future perfect and future perfect progressive. Okay, so look please. Will have met. Would have met. Clear? That's what I meant. These are clear. The last one, future perfect progressive. Yes? Past future perfect progressive. Clear? That's it. Will have been moving. If you go back directly, you see that we will have been moving by the time you arrive to Lebanon. That's it. Okay? Will have. For example, here, to be done, would have been moving. By practicing, of course, we will see how do we change all these. Okay? So these are the tenses from the simple present, simple past, and simple future. Clear? These are the changes. For example, let me say something about these. Look. We will be, he said that we will be meeting, okay? at 2 p.m. Okay, we would be meeting. Will have met. Yes, he said that we would have met. Yes, by the time you arrive to Lebanon, whatever. So, let's really move to something else. These are the tenses. Here, I want to move to something else, to the time, before the time expressions, let's go for the pronouns. Pronouns, it's a game. I'll not write them. Look at them in your own book. Say that here, because the noun really is applied to the speaker. Say that he said that. So he said that you have to. He said that they have to. They had to, etc. Let me say that concerning the other changes or something else concerning the models. Here, we say, let's say can, may, will, we said it there. Forget about will. Can, may, shall, etc. These also, of course, one shift to the past, could, but look please, as we said, if the reporting verb is in the present, we never change any tense, not anything. We do many or different or some changes, but out of the tense, okay? Could, might, should, yes, but what if these used in the quoted speech? Yes, could, might, okay, would, and should, or ought to as have to, yes? These to be done also the same. Could, might, no changes. Clear? To what you can really choose or change could? Nothing. Just remain as it is. Keep it as it is. Should, ought to, etc. These are changes, but we don't have any change in this one. Other changes. I want to say something about here, have to, concerning the comments or whatever. Look, have to, must. Let me remind you about something related to must, okay? Have to, must, whatever. These, you have to study well. Our teacher said that, yes, that we had to study well. We must study well. Also must, had to. Yes? But concerning must, we have something, okay, related to must that can be changed whenever we use it in the must be. And these rules, look please, an example here, just I want to erase it. Okay? These rules must, yes, mustn't or must not, yes, be forgotten. Okay? Here we can change, look please, must have been, let's say that. Mustn't have been forgotten in the passive voice. Look please, can you use must as had to? These rules, you said that those rules, you see that those rules had to, not have been. It's really something complicated, impossible, that can't be changed in this case. He said that those rules mustn't, yes, have been forgotten. Clear? So that's it. So we don't change it just in this way whenever we have it in the progressive form or in the passive voice. Clear? Keep this in mind. Just in case that you must study well. He said that we had to study well. Okay? But out of this can be done. Write it please Careful. Other changes related to comments. If we want to report, yes, if you want to report something concerning command or any or requirement or whatever, look please, here also we have other, I call these other changes, okay? So look please, here imperative, I call it imperative, but it's really as a command, okay? As a command here, for example, look please, don't, just keep calm. He said that, okay? He said that, just keep calm, whatever. Here, what about this? To report it, just we use what? We use it in the infinitive form. Infinitive, what? Verb. How? This is the example. He asked us just to keep calm, that's it. Look what happened. Keep as a command, as something you request from somebody. That's keep, you have to keep, that's it. So he said that just keep calm. Okay. He said that, he commanded us, he blah blah blah, etc. Just to keep calm, infinitive. And also the negative imperative, negative one. Negative command or whatever, or imperative, sorry. That's it, here. Negative command or negative imperative. I mean it, this one, okay? Look please, said that don't leave home, your home. Don't leave your home. Clear? Don't leave your home. He commanded me, yes? Also we have to use it what? In the infinitive form, infinitive verb, okay, or infinitive negative, yes, form or verb. Look please, don't leave your home. He commanded, he ordered, let's say that, he ordered us not to, not to, have you seen it? He ordered us not to leave our home or homes or whatever. Clear? Why? That's what I said here. I don't want to write the pronoun, okay, antecedents or whatever. Just, okay, the time expressions plus some other changes concerning the demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those, and etc. Okay? Copy these on your copy books. Clear? So here we have it concerning other changes. Let's see the other changes. As I said, just call them as other changes concerning the demonstrative pronouns. This in the quoted speech, and these. This work, that work, these actions, those actions, okay? The time expressions will be done along. This and these, okay? Ago, okay? That's really, let's use it with the time, this one, okay? So here, concerning these changes as we agreed on, concerning the imperative and the command and everything related to some changes. Okay? Here, there. He said, come here. He ordered him to go over there. Yes? Some other changes also, let me say something else, related to all these. The time expressions. Have a couple of these? So, okay, just in case we have it this with the time, let me add something here. In case we have it as that here. Yes, keep it as that. Yes? Don't change it in case anyone, this one here, in case these are here, keep them as they are. If not, of course, please, you have to play the game. Okay? As we said concerning could, if we have could here, to be said here, as it is. And the same game here. Let's go for the time expressions. Okay? The time expressions, okay? Time expressions. Here we have today. Yes, we are talking about something today. That day. In case we have that day here, keep it that day here. Okay? Last week, sorry. Last week. Yes. The previous week or the week before. It's up to you. Yes? Last month, last year, etc. It's up to you, okay? Concerning this. So, we have it, if we have tomorrow. Yes? We will meet tomorrow at blah blah blah. Okay? Tomorrow, the following day. We'll see this by the examples. I give you a lot of examples when I finish this, yes? The following day, or the next day, or the week, or the day after. It's up to you. Okay? So these are the changes. Last, today, these days, those days, tomorrow, etc. We have something related to ago. Yes, we met 2 days ago. We met 2 days before. Yes, or 2 days, let's see that, earlier. Yes, mostly these concerning the time expressions. We have a lot of time expressions. Today, these days, tomorrow, ago, etc. Okay? Copy these also. Follow me by copying these in charts. Just whenever you want to revise, you see them in one chart. Okay? Clear? So here we have these changes by such charts. I said that I don't want to write the pronoun references. Just these as they are concerning time expressions changes and also the tenses and some other changes as we mentioned them.